This is Kenton here at Flying A Motorsports in Scott City, Missouri, and I'm going to show you all around this silver and blackout package 24-foot Intech Lite trailer. We're going to show you all some of the cool options on this trailer, so let's go. Starting up here on the front, we got this 3,500 pound Lippert jack that we actually have recessed back a little bit. We optioned it with the ATP tongue cover. It has the ATP stone guard on the front along with your 30 amp shore power plug right here. Obviously that is going to your automatic transfer switch, which also has an onboard inverter. So when you're rolling down the road with this plugged in, your inverter is going to be actually charging your batteries. And as long as your power switch is off, you're never going to have to worry about your battery going dead on you. Coming around on the driver's side of the unit, you'll see here it's 24 foot long. We have a full access escape door. Just this year they came out with this new wheel package. They're pretty clean looking. We'll show y'all how simple it is to open up this escape door. Comes up on its own. You can raise it up by your hand. It's got these two struts here, one on either side. And they both have a safety lock. You can slap those down whenever you're ready to close it, but that just takes the pressure off both of those struts so they're not wearing them out. You can see here, probably wondering, well, what's the point of this, Kenton? You can't open your door. Well, yeah, you can. You come over here to the fender, you take out two hand twist fenderette things, take those out, and the whole fender pulls off. When you load your car up, you can see you'll be able to open the door all the way. You got a little step right here to get in and out. It's also pretty useful for tying your car down instead of laying underneath the front or back. If you use wheel straps, you can strap it down right here. So it makes it pretty simple. You'll see over here on the curb side or the passenger side of the trailer, you actually have two scene lights. Those are both 13-inch scene lights along with the one on the rear ramp door for your loading light. These are both tandem 4,500 pound axles. And then you also have an exterior GFCI outlet here. And then you're gonna have a 34-inch side door along with your pull-out step that is mounted with two shocks. So it's not gonna come out going down the road. So around back, here's your ramp door. You can actually see here your little twist lock. They actually have a riv nut there. So you have a perfect place to place that so you don't lose it. Walking inside, you can see we have two rows of airline track, one down each side. It's surface mounted, makes it really nice, convenient for tying down pretty much anything wherever you want it. You don't have to worry about having to drill out for new D-rings or anything like that. At the front of the trailer is actually going to be your transfer switch. And what that is, it pretty much kills all the power throughout the whole trailer. So whenever you get everything loaded up, you're ready to leave, or you're just going to leave it parked for a little while, you can shut that off and make sure you're not killing any of your juice going to your battery. We have 8 foot of overhead and 8 foot of base cabinet, so plenty of storage for everything you may need. This also has a winch plate for future winch installation. We went ahead and put the carpet up the walls just to protect that aluminum underneath it. That's pretty much where most of your wear and tear is going to be on the walls. Up on the roof, you're going to have one roof mounted vent, which can actually be removed, and it's been braced and wired for future AC. So we can either do that here for you at our service department, or you could do it on your own whenever you get it home. So that's it for this one. My name's Kenton Pope. I work here at Flying A Motorsports in Scott City, Missouri. If you think that this is something that you or maybe one of your friends may be interested in buying or building, give me a call here at Flying A Motorsports.